Hey everyone, welcome back to Tectonic Electric. If you're looking for wireless earphones that deliver both style and serious sound, stick around because today we're diving into the original T2 wireless Bluetooth earphones. These aren't your average buds. They've got a transparent design, an LED power display, and some impressive hi-fi audio quality. All right. First things first, let's talk about design. The T2 earphones stand out with their transparent build, letting you see the internal components, which is a cool, techie look. Paired with an LED digital power display on the charging case, these earphones are not only stylish, but also let you keep track of the battery level in real time. Now, let's get to what really matters, the sound. The T2 earphones bring hi-fi stereo sound quality, which means you get rich, clear audio with deep bass. These are perfect for music lovers who want every detail to pop, from the highs to the lows. Whether you're listening to your favorite podcast, watching a movie, or diving into a new album, these earphones deliver an immersive sound experience. And thanks to the latest Bluetooth tech, your connection stays stable and reliable even at a distance. No more annoying dropouts. The T2 earphones don't just look good, they're built for convenience too. With the LED power display, you'll always know how much juice you have left in both the case and each earbud. Plus, with multiple charges from the case, you're covered for the day. I took these out for a spin, and they lasted me through my daily routine without any issues. And for those days when you forget to charge, the display is a lifesaver. No surprises. Comfort is key, especially if you're wearing these for long stretches. The T2 earphones are lightweight and ergonomically designed to stay in place, whether you're working, commuting, or hitting the gym. So, is the original T2 wireless Bluetooth earphone worth it? If you're after style, functionality, and great sound quality in one package, then absolutely. They're especially great for Xiaomi users or anyone who values solid Bluetooth performance and a modern design. All right. That wraps up our review of the original T2 wireless Bluetooth earphones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to Tectonic Electric, and let us know in the comments what's your favorite feature of the T2. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This script provides a complete walkthrough of the T2 earphones, highlighting the features that would most appeal to tech enthusiasts. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments.